How to find draft videos on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to find drafts on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please make sure to update your TikTok app on your Apple App Store or your Google Play Store. And then once you have done that, simply open TikTok and then also make sure that you have or you're using the same device since you cannot access the drafts from your other device. So let's say, for example, that you have two devices, you have your iPhone and then you have your iPad, for example. The drafts on your iPad can be only seen on iPad only, and the drafts on your iPhone can be only seen on the iPhone only. So make sure to choose the right device. And then now go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen and then choose the drafts right here. So click on draft and then you may be able to see the list or the drafts that you have. So you may click on select right here, choose um, the videos that you want and you may be able to delete it. And if you want to continue the video or edit the video, just simply press on it and then you may add your text, your stickers, effects, and etc. So if you press on this back button right here, it will then go back to the camera section in which you may be able to um, add another video, another pictures, or etc. So um, press on it if you want to add something on this video or picture, and then again add text, stickers, or etc., or even music. Click on next once you're done, and then post it, and that's it. That's how you can find drafts on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.